Listen to these positive morning affirmations daily and let yourself really step into your deserved confidence and allow success and abundance in all forms to come to you. Let us begin. As I begin my day, I am filled with confidence. I am optimistic. I am excited to meet my day. I know miracles await me today. I am blessed. Life smiles on me. Life loves me. I love me. I am grateful for the amazing day ahead of me. I am embracing my day with positivity. I am confident within myself. I believe in myself. I am a success. Abundance in all forms is drawn to me. Today I allow my good to come to me. I am an amazing person. I am awesome. I am a good soul. I deserve my good. I receive my good with ease. I vibrate at a high frequency. I am abundant. I am filled with love and positivity. Today I let myself shine. Today I allow myself to have the most amazing day. Today I allow myself to be all that I can be. Today I allow huge success to be mine. Today I allow abundance to be mine. Today I allow myself to be really happy. I am a powerful creator. I create the life I truly want to live. Today I fulfill my potential. Today I am very successful. Today miracles manifest for me. All sorts of positive things happen for me today, both expected and unexpected. Today a special wish of mine is granted. Today every area of my life becomes more abundant. Today my life gets even better, brighter and happier. I am happy. I choose to be happy. Today I smile. Today is a wonderful day. I am grateful. Thank you. Thank you for all my success. Thank you for all my abundance. Thank you for all my good. Thank you.